In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send test email in GoHighLevel tutorial. Sending a test email before launching a campaign is the quickest way to catch formatting issues, broken links, or delivery problems before your audience sees them. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside GoHighLevel and share a few practical tips along the way so your preview looks exactly the way you planned. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard and head to the marketing section. This is where all email-related tools live. Once you're there, go into emails so you can access the email builder, drafts, and scheduled items. From within emails, switch to campaigns. This view shows your campaigns in one place, making it easy to pick the one you want to test. Select the specific campaign you want to preview. If you've been working on a draft, make sure your latest edits are saved so the test reflects the most recent version. Take a quick glance over your content here, especially personalization tags and links, so you know what to expect in the inbox. At the top of the campaign editor, look for the three-dot menu next to the preview option. Click that menu and choose Test Email. This opens a small window where you'll set the details for the preview message. In the Sender Email field, enter the From address you plan to use when the campaign goes live. For best deliverability, use a domain you've verified in GoHighLevel and stick with a professional, brand-aligned address that's monitored for replies. Consistency here helps inbox providers trust your emails. Next, in the Send a Test to field, type the email address where you want to receive the test. Pick an inbox you can check immediately. If you commonly review emails on different devices, consider sending to an address you can open on both desktop and mobile so you can compare how it renders. Then, enter the email subject you want to test. If your campaign already has a subject, confirm it appears exactly as you intend. This is a great moment to spot typos, preview emojis, and gauge length before it hits a real inbox. When everything looks right, click Send Test Email. The test should arrive within a minute. Open it and review the layout, images, personalization, and links. Check how it appears in light and dark mode, and scan the promotions or spam folders if you don't see it right away. If something's off, return to the editor, adjust, and send another quick test. That's all there is to it. With this simple flow, you can confidently validate your campaign in GoHighLevel before sending it to your list.